Want an e-bike without breaking the bank? I got you. First things first, you need an old bike you're not using or one you can just get off the internet. This one's 20 bucks, cheap and easy. Preferably wheel size, 26 inches to 28. Once you've gone ahead and installed your motor, you're gonna go ahead and connect it to this extension cable. You can order off Amazon, super affordable. And then you're gonna get a controller kit. This is the extra part of the equipment. Comes with throttle, display, just with a new grip. And you can keep your old brake handles and equipment there. That's fine. Here's the wiring. What you'll need: zip ties, wire cutters is the controller. You can see right there. Focus. And this, along with the throttle, the display, roughly comes to maybe around $100. But all that, plus this battery. So clippers if you need them, zip ties, controller, battery. Let's put it on. The bike. So for right now, this is how it looks mounted. Put my controller on top. You actually can zip tie it on here, but I'm ordering a bag soon. That mounts in between here, closes everything, and it'll be straight. So, like I said, from the motor in the front, have your wire. Make sure you buy the extension because you will need it, and you'll have these 3 little color cords here. If you go color for color, try that once you turn on the battery and once you connect everything, turn on your display and hit the throttle, nothing happens. Then next suggestion is leave blue to blue, but swap out green and yellow. So put this green to that yellow and this yellow to that green. Try it again. Just want to mix and match them for a bit to see if it runs. Trust me, when I matched it color for color, it didn't go. Also, when you buy this controller, it comes with similar plugs. These are the ones you see there. And you're gonna have to cut them off, solder them on, or as you best can. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be on there. And this little connection is called the T30. And you gotta buy a T30 charger as well, which is not that much. Honestly, trust me. This bill's a lot cheaper than everything you've seen on the net. So once I connect the motor to the controller, connect the battery, also connect the display along with the throttle. We'll see how everything goes. All right, this is how it looks put all together. Had to put all the wires together, zip tie them to the frame real quick, and just connect everything that connects. Here's a display. It turns on. Yep, it's on. Now here are the settings. The arrows help you with the assist. I'm gonna crank it all the way to 5. And now let's take it for a spin and see if it works. All right, now it's time to take it for a little quick spin around here. See how it does. There we go, it's on its own power. You can hear the motor not. It's at full throttle. Ooh. I mean, this is a early 1900s. We're breaking sound barriers right now. Land speed. The assist really helps out. You're going uphill. Let me try this again. We didn't see the display. Just with the throttle. That's it. No pedaling. Just power of e-bike. Woohoo! Of course, not pedaling. And keep in mind where I am, it's hilly. This is not a level parking lot. And 260, going uphill, still can pull me, no pedaling required. Right? She's all done, and the most affordable. It also makes you wonder,